Okay, guys, so Google just paid me another $9,427.50, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to make that money in today's video. But before we get into it, let me go to my screen right now and show you some proof, right? So if you come to my laptop right here, my laptop screen right here, you're going to see this email from Guaranteed Trust Bank. That's my bank right here in Nigeria. And if you come here right now, you're going to see my account number, approved inward transfer, SWIFT, right? This is the amount right here, $9,427.50 US dollars. And this is USD, which means US dollars. And guess what? This money just came in today, the 25th of January 2022. Now, if you look at this place, you're going to see that this money came in from Google Island Limited, Gordon House, Barrow Street, Dublin, and blah blah. This is the address, and it came straight to me, Umeh, Offordile, Gerald, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to make this money that Google just paid me. Like, Google has been paying me consistently every single month, guys. And what I'm going to be doing right now is to show you guys exactly what I've done to make this money. So it's important for you to stay with me to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be walking you step by step everything that you need to know, especially if you are interested in making money online, guys, right? So if you're meeting for the first time, my name is Gerald. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that we can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So it's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, so that when I drop some videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send you a notification. That said, if you have any questions at any point in this video, leave it right there in the comment section, as I'm going to always be there to answer all of your questions. Now, that said, let's jump right into the video. Now, there are two ways that Google can actually pay you, right, from doing exactly what I've done. There are two things that you can actually do primarily. Now, the first thing is for you to start a blog, right, and monetize with Google. I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how as we proceed. Now, the second thing for you to do is to start a YouTube channel, right? And guess what? Google is also going to be paying you with AdSense from a YouTube channel or YouTube revenue, right? So all you need to do now, let's talk about blogging before we talk about YouTube channel. Now, these are things that I'm going to be explaining elaborately, and I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you can be a part of this elaborate training. So there are two things that you need to do primarily, to qualify for Google payments on a monthly basis, just like I've been getting consistently for over a year right now. Yeah, almost $10,000 is a lot of money, right? That's about 5 million naira if you live right here in Nigeria, like myself. Right, and guess what? Google is paying this money straight into your bank account right here in Nigeria. So the first thing you need to do right now is to go to your bank and set up a USD account. It's pretty very simple to do, right? Just go to your bank and tell them that you want to open a USD account. They're going to give you the requirements and you're going to fulfill it, and they're going to open a dollar account for you. That's the first thing you need to do, right? Now, the second thing you need to do is to click on the first mention box below, and once you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to Bluehost. Now, follow that link, follow the instructions step by step, and set up and buy a domain name and hosting space from Bluehost. Now, what happens is that once you buy a hosting, you're going to be getting a free domain, which is why I prefer Bluehost. What you need to do is to set up a blog. If you want a more elaborate training on how to set up a blog, there's a video showing up right here that's going to walk you guys through the entire process, right? There's a card showing up right here right now that's going to walk you guys through the entire process of setting up a blog. Now, do your keyword research and start posting articles on this blog, like blog posts. Now, once you've gotten to the threshold where Google can actually start paying you, what you need to do is to apply for AdSense. That's the second link box. It's going to take you straight to AdSense. Apply. For Google will review your blog and start monetize you. Now, what's going to happen is that you are going to have a chance to put adverts on your website. Now, if you visited website like lindaikg.com and all those other websites like sadomexemployment.com and all that, you're going to see blog posts, right? You're going to see adverts embedded inside those blog posts. That's Google actually advertising on your blog, right? So you need to actually have a blog before you can get Google to place adverts on your blog and pay you money every month, right? That's exactly how it works. It's actually very, very, very simple. Of course, if you want more elaborate training, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be telling you exactly what to do to be part of that elaborate training. Now, the second way for you to actually make money with Google, right? Second thing I'm doing that Google used to pay me these monies that I just showed you guys right now is to basically set up a YouTube channel. It's completely free. It's completely free. Go to youtube.com, right, and set up a channel for yourself. Now, find a niche that is profitable. I was talking to somebody today. Daniel Mado called me today. One of my students called me today and it was like, Gerald, I've made money with affiliate marketing, but I want to do more. What do you think I should do? Should I answer questions on Quora or should I build a YouTube channel? I told him that you could do both. But if I were you, I will start with a YouTube channel. You have knowledge. You actually make money online, right? There are things that you've done. Maybe you bake cake, maybe you're a dancer, maybe everything that you do, you can start teaching it on YouTube. That is the whole idea. And once you get to the monetization threshold, you can apply for monetization, and Google is going to start paying you every single month. That's how we all started, right? So you can actually set up a YouTube channel right now. There's a video showing up right here. This video is going to show you exactly how to set up a YouTube channel. I want to set up a YouTube channel, make your first video and put it out there. Now, the mistake a lot of persons do make is that they sometimes feel like their videos is not good enough. They actually want to have a nice set, they want to have this, want to have a nice camera and this or that. Just like God told Moses in the Bible, start with what you have in your hand right now. That's the best way to start. Right? If you look at my videos from when I started up until this moment, you see that there has been progress. Now, imagine if I have waited until I'm able to get a good camera, a good this, a good that, a good lighting and everything before I get started. I might be getting started right now, or it might never even happen, right? Because my idea of businesses is that when a business grows, now I can reinvest the money that I made from that business into making that business better. So what I'm advising you to do right now is to start from where you are right now, right? Click on the first extension box below and set up a blog right now. And I'm also going to be linking the video on how to actually set up a blog and make money blogging, in the comment section below. And if you are interested in me making a more elaborate video on how to actually make money with blogging with Google AdSense, let me know in the comment section, and that will most likely be my next video for you guys, right? So that said, the two things that I did to make this money is, number one, I have a blog, and number two, I have a YouTube channel. And guess what, guys? I've said this a couple of times. Let me say this again. I have more than one blog. I just showed you one, right? This is just from one. I have more than one YouTube channel. This is not the only YouTube channel that I have. And what I've been doing is that I've been paying people to actually be the face of those YouTube channels, right? So I'm reinvesting the money that I'm making from YouTube, from YouTube and affiliate marketing and everywhere into building other businesses. Because for me, I see YouTube, I see blogging as a business opportunity for me. These are all businesses for me, right? So it's important for you to actually jump on this bandwagon, because the whole idea is for us also to win together. That is why I do what I do. I could actually sit in my house, do what I do, and not show you exactly what I'm doing. But I'm happy when people come to me with testimonies and say, Gerald, I made $100 because I watched your video. I made $50 because I watched your video. I read your blog post and this happened and this. So I like these testimonies. That's what actually kept me going. So the whole idea is for us all to win together, which is why I keep making these videos and I keep writing on my blogs and everywhere, because I want to show you guys exactly how to make money online. Right? And this is exactly what I've been doing, and Google has been paying me. There's no reason that you cannot do the same thing and get the exact same result, guys. So if you have any questions, guys, or you want something you want me to elaborate on, put it right in the comment section, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye for you, guys.